Hi, my name is Jashanpreet Singh and I'm here to discuss the task. Let's see the code. We have organized a namespace called vector in a code. Uh, we have defined a vector T class in the namespace. The T element represents a class ability to handle any type of data, which allows the flexibility in working with numbers, strings, or custom objects. Uh, we define some basic elements within the vector class. Let's discuss with the first one. Default capacity. It is defined as constant value. So that our vector originally starting capacity will set to 10. This ensures that the new vector starts with a sufficient amount of space for holding elements when it is created. In addition, for storage of our components, we are declaring a private array name called data. There are two fundamental characteristics of the class, the count and the capacity. Uh, the count tells us the current number of elements in a vector, and while the capacity tells us the maximum number of elements uh, that vector can hold without resizing. Uh, the count, mm, we are implementing two constructions. Let's see over here. Uh, mm, just one sec. Uh, uh, we are implementing two constructions for installation. One allows us to specify the vector initial um, capacity, while the other initialize the vector with the default capacity we defined before. We are incorporate of indexer to facilitate easy access to elements. This feature allows us to retrieve elements from a vector using square bracket, similar to accessing elements in a standard array. We using a private method extend data under the by creating a bigger array, moving existing element when the vector fills. This method dynamically adapts its capacity. Then we use the add method, which allow us to add elements at the end of vector and if necessary extend its capacity. The index the index of method quickly finds the index of first occurrence of a specified element in the vector for fast or quick access. With the insert method, uh, where we manage capacity and index validations. We can insert an element to specify indices. Then we use the clear method, removes all elements from the vector and return to its empty state very quickly. In addition, methods of retrieving and removing elements are provided. The contain methods checks if a specified element is present within the vector, which increases search capabilities. The remove method, which deletes the first occurrence of specific element, make it easy to remove items. Then we use the uh, targeted removal add method removes the element at a specified index. And finally, we use toString at the last to present our vector content in a readable format. This method creates a vector string representations enclosing elements in a square bracket and filtering them by commas. Now we will run the code at last. Uh, it's running. All the test cases have been successful. Thank you.